This list of 5 kitchen gadgets isn't ranked in any particular order, and each one has the potential to streamline your culinary routine. We'll explore how these tools can simplify your life, whether you're a seasoned chef or a busy home cook. All links to the products mentioned here can be found in the description below. Number 1. Electric Knife Sharpener. Dull knives can make cooking frustrating and time-consuming. An electric knife sharpener offers a quick and easy solution to maintaining sharp blades. With a few simple steps, you can restore your knives to their original cutting power, ensuring safer and more efficient food preparation. Number 2. Garlic Press. Peeling and mincing garlic can be a messy and time-consuming task. A garlic press offers a clean and efficient alternative. Simply press the garlic cloves into the press, and the minced garlic will be released with ease. This simple tool can save you time and effort in the kitchen. Number 3. Egg Separator. Separating egg yolks from whites can be a delicate and messy process. An egg separator simplifies this task by providing a convenient way to separate the two components. This small tool is perfect for recipes that require only egg yolks or whites. Number 4. Silicone Baking Cups. Traditional paper baking cups can be difficult to remove from baked goods. Silicone baking cups offer a reusable and non-stick alternative. These cups are easy to clean and can be used for a variety of baking applications, including cupcakes, muffins, and individual quiches. Number 5. Vegetable Peeler. Peeling vegetables can be a tedious task, especially for those with limited hand strength or dexterity. A vegetable peeler offers a comfortable and efficient way to remove the skin from fruits and vegetables. This essential tool is a must-have for any kitchen. But what about those must-have tools that every home chef should have? In our next video, we'll explore the top 5 must-have kitchen gadgets for home chefs.